In the rolling highlands of the Wollo region, where the air smells of wild thyme and eucalyptus, lived a bright 16-year-old named Selam. Her world was one of golden teff fields and the rhythmic thump-thump of her mother's wooden mortar. One evening, after the sun had dipped behind the jagged peaks, Selam's father, Otto Gebra, sat by the hearth. He looked unusually solemn. "Selam," he began, his voice heavy with responsibility. "Otto Balai has sent his elders to our gate. He is a man of many cattle and hectares. He wants you to be his wife." Selam's heart plummeted. Otto Balai was older than her father, a man whose face was etched with the severity of many decades. In rural traditions, such a marriage meant security for the family. To Gebra, it was a way to ensure Selam would never go hungry and that their family would have a powerful ally. But Selam's heart belonged to Dawit, a young teacher's assistant in the nearby village. Dawit had no cattle, but he had books. They had spent afternoons by the river, where he taught her how to read the Ge'ez script and shared dreams of a future where they could build a school together. "Father," Selam whispered, her voice trembling, "I do not want wealth. I want to continue my lessons. I want to marry for love, not for oxen." The following week was a blur of tension. In many rural communities, the concept of harmful traditional practices, specifically early and forced marriage, is still a challenge. While the elders saw it as a social contract, Selam saw it as the end of her life's potential. She met Dawit secretly under the great sycamore tree. "My father thinks he is saving me," she cried, "but he is selling my future." Dawit took a risk. He knew that to change Gebra's mind, he couldn't just use emotion, he had to use logic and the law. Dawit and the local school headmaster visited Otto Gebra. They didn't come with insults, but with a different perspective. The law. They gently reminded him that the legal age of marriage in Ethiopia is 18, and forced marriage is a violation of a girl's rights. The investment. The headmaster showed Gebra a list of girls from the next village who had finished school and were now nurses and agricultural experts, sending back more money to their families than a dowry of cattle ever could. The health. They spoke of the physical dangers of early pregnancy for young girls. Otto Gebra looked at his daughter. He saw her spirit wilting and realized that security at the cost of her soul was no security at all. It took great courage to turn away the wealthy Otto Balai, but Gebra eventually stood firm. "My daughter's mind is her greatest dowry," he told the elders. Home take message. A girl's consent is fundamental to a healthy society. Long-term economic stability often comes from education rather than immediate dowries. Community dialogue. Change in rural areas often happens when respected figures, like teachers, engage in respectful dialogue with elders.